ground, James. You are being detained, you fucking idiot. Get on the ground. I'm gonna fucking tase you, dude. Get on the ground. Put the flashlight in.
On December 2, what started as a routine patrol quickly turned chaotic when police came across a fight and heard shouting. Within seconds, both the man and the young woman were restrained with firm commands. But something happened that made the situation even more awkward.
He hit her. What are you talking about? He just fought in the club.
Keep your arms there, okay?
He just got kicked out of the club.
Back up.
He just fought a guy in the club. What are you talking about? Let her go.
But the thing is that the guy with the red hat got pushed.
You literally were in the process of swinging the fist.
No, the guy in the red hat. He needs to go.
I got it.
Put your hands behind your back. Get back.
Get the back now.
Stop resisting, you understand? Stop resisting.
Stop resisting, man.
She was just right on the She had nothing to do with it. She had nothing to do with it. It's her, yo. They came and they attacked me, and she had my back. It's her birthday. She did nothing wrong. She did.
Back up.
She did nothing wrong. She did nothing wrong. They attacked me, and they're women. They're women.
I got it.
She was doing it. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. Back up. I'm not doing anything.
She was breaking it up. They were fighting.
Those girls came to us.
She broke it up.
She didn't do anything. Those girls came to us.
She broke it up.
Those girls came to us.
Breaking it up. She didn't do
No, I
anything.
tried to get him out. Those girls tried to come at him. She came before I could get him. No, that was all on them.
Officer, he just got kicked out of the club for fighting. No, but he has to go. The guy in the red hat has to go.
No, officer.
Dude.
The guy with the red hat, he
He has to
with the guy.
go.
We got pushed.
He got pushed in the club.
Listen, yo, I'm gonna stand her up and you're gonna button her shirt, okay?
No, officer, I
Okay,
understand.
just listen. You're gonna button her shirt when I stand her up, okay? Ready? Button her shirt.
No, stop.
Button her shirt.
Yeah, I will, but you have to understand that this guy just got hit me. He just got
Button her
pissed
shirt. Or else he's going with it up.
The officers asked for identification, but the young woman complained that she had been thrown to the ground and demanded to see the body cam footage. Police said they arrested her because they saw her running forward and throwing punches, while Shania explained it was just a reflexive act of self-defense after being knocked down. Did the chaotic night end there?
Hey,
Do you have any ID on you?
Yeah, I do. I do in my wallet. Maybe my boyfriend has it. No, my boyfriend
Okay,
probably has
let
it.
me answer.
Okay.
What's your first name?
Aya, S-H-A.
Hold on. What's first? How's my first
Please
name?
ignore
First name.
S-H-A. I. A-H.
S-H-A-I.
N-I. A-H. That came out of
my wife. This is my wife. This is my wife.
Telling you she didn't do anything.
She didn't do nothing. She was just breaking up a fight. All she was doing was just, she got in the middle of them and she just told them to back up. It doesn't matter.
So they offended us and she's in the problem?
They're going too.
So because she's offended us?
It's her birthday.
She really didn't do anything. It's crouched.
All right.
No, stop. Don't touch her.
Back up now.
I'll tie it. I'm gonna tie it. I'm gonna tie her shirt. Her fucking titties are out. You
No,
dickhead.
I'm holding it.
No,
Back
it's
up.
not. You're not holding it. You're a guy officer. You need to get a girl officer. Oh my
Get off
god.
now.
Tie it. Tie it.
All right, tie
Her
that, tie
titties
that.
are
Good,
out,
tie it.
bro. Oh my god. You guys are such
Call my mom. Tell him 0128.
I got her password.
0128. I got money in the bank to buy myself up. He just tossed me on the floor.
And you guys are
He just tossed me on the floor.
you guys want to arrest her? What
Where's the cameras? Where's the cameras?
All right, good enough.
Where's the cameras?
Let go.
Stop touching me.
Where's the cameras? I had to stop him. Call my mom!
At the 22 at Bullet, I have 1 whiskey Foxtrot at 10:15.
It's crazy.
Yeah. Copy, thank you. We don't have a signal 40 over
He
here.
tossed me on the floor. I literally, my knee is straight.
Do you have anything else on you? Do you have any pockets or anything?
I have nothing. I have
Okay,
nothing.
what's your name? Do you have ID or anything?
I don't know where it is. He tossed me on the floor and he ran up to me and threw me on the floor, and that's why I got up. I was like, what the f?
Okay,
I had
listen.
3 girls on
I
me.
saw a brawl going on, right?
Yeah.
When I get over there, you're running and you're in the middle of throwing a fit.
Yes, because he threw me on the floor. You can look at any, I swear on God, you can look on any camera you
Okay.
want to.
I see you in the fight. Okay?
That's
Just
crazy.
engage in the fight. You re-engage the fight. Okay?
I'll walk away right now. He tossed me on the floor.
I didn't see that. I saw you in the process of running up and throwing a fist. Okay?
That's crazy.
You have a Florida ID?
Yeah.
I saw you do that. Just be careful. This is, she's got nothing underneath her, so we tie it up. What,
These hurt so bad.
what is your, social?
No, there's no way.
Back up, otherwise you're gonna go to jail.
You see? It's bad. It's bad.
Look, listen.
No, that's not right.
You wanna listen to me? You wanna listen to me so you can come down?
Yeah.
I understand.
I get it. I get it that she was gonna fight that girl, but like, bro, what the? That's a girl. Like, he pushed her, and he's not in cops. Okay, but he pushed her first. That guy. That's why he's sticking around. That's why he's sticking around.
You guys just jumped on an innocent girl. You guys just jumped on an innocent girl that just tried to break up. All she tried to do was break up a fight. That's it. Look at them. They're drunk. They just bumped into my girlfriend. We just walked out. More people are about to start going. Oh, he's dead. He's dead. They shot him.
You're about to join us, so back off. You guys are about to join us. Walk away. Walk away.
Is that 22 at the Boulevard?
Walk
That's 22
away.
at Planet Orange.
Walk away or you gotta go to jail too. I don't care. I'm tired of listening to you. Walk away or you gotta go for disorderly conduct. This is your last warning. You open your mouth again, you gotta go to jail too. Walk away.
Copy, Oscar 601.
We are taking him to go get something to eat.
Look, do it on your body cam. Do it on your body cam. Listen, you want that way.
Did you get thrown on the ground prior?
Yes.
Before you ran out to
He
the
threw me on the floor. That's why I got up like that. My t-shirt is ripped off.
You need an ambulance.
Gabby, I just need her to look. Gabby.
Can't come over here.
Oh.
She's just too high. She's.
I just need to see if my t-shirt is ripped.
You want me?
My
Listen.
nipple.
I'm gonna have the female. Can you just? She wants someone to look at it to see if her.
It's bleeding. I know it's bleeding. I hurt so bad.
Yeah. Here, take her 1014. Come in my car. Come on. I got it. I'm gonna. Come on. Hey, you're fine. Hey. Can you back up? Don't even try. Come here. Right here. Okay.
It's bleeding ever so slightly. What would you like? Just stay. Oh, just give us 1 second.
I don't know. No, yeah, she's gonna.
Just give us 1 second.
He threw me on the floor. That's why I reacted like that.
Oh,
yeah, just give me 1 second. Oh, another one.
Another fight?
Another girl trying to get him over. Okay, so.
Oh my god.
It's not bleeding that much, but it's just probably because of the bar.
Scrape, okay.
Yeah, so would you like alcohol or something or no? Because it could hurt more. No, it's fine. Okay, yeah, it's fine.
It's just irritated.
Yeah, it's probably because this fabric is like, it's gonna catch on it, okay? Do you have anywhere else you have any injuries?
I mean, just my knee.
Okay, let me clean that up for you.
if you have them, take them out.
I'm gonna clean it up. Hey, stay against my car then.
In her detailed statement, the young woman admitted the truth after standing up. When they were brought to the patrol car, police confirmed that she and the other arrestee didn't know each other and hadn't been fighting, so they were about to seat them together.
I didn't say anything. The guy said something, so I turned around and said something back, and he ran. The girl, she walked up, and I was like, what? I turned around and said, what? You can look at any camera. The guy ran.
I'm not saying
no,
you're
I know.
wrong.
You're doing your job.
I saw you throw in the face, and that's why I took you.
He took me and shoved me to the floor. So when I got up, I'm wearing a skirt. I'm a female.
She's gonna take care of you, okay? Sorry.
How did that injury happen, ma'am?
He slammed me into the floor.
Who slammed you into the floor?
The man with the red hat.
Okay, so that was done by one of the perpetrators over there?
He was in the club upstairs.
Okay.
You can talk to the bartender upstairs. The guy with the red hat.
Okay.
He got into a fight with somebody upstairs as well. Started punching him. He came downstairs. He said something to my girl.
Okay.
So I defended my girl. Started walking. His friend said something. I turned around and said, what?
Okay.
And then she started walking up to me. So she was like, what happened? What happened? So I started walking up to her to tell her what happened. He runs and slams me on the floor. He pushes me down on the floor. My first instinct, I'm a girl. Of course, I've been drinking. Yes.
I got you.
Right there. Sorry. I got up and I handled my business.
I got you. Okay, fair enough. Cool.
444-742.
My ID. Can I wait for my ID, please? Okay, I'm gonna sit down. Can you wait? Can you stop grabbing me so often, please? Like, I will. Okay, I will. You stop grabbing me, please. I need to talk on the phone.
Whose handcuffs are on her?
Son is at home.
Let's just check if we're gonna double lock this.
Okay. That's fine. I'm sorry. Please talk to me.
Listen to me. Just face this way for a second.
Okay.
You got a pen?
Yeah.
I'm not trying to fight you.
Listen, stop moving. Let me just fix the cuff.
Okay,
that way
sorry.
they don't get tight on you, all right?
Sorry.
Hang tight.
Like, my baby is 8 months. I'm just trying to go. I'm not moving. I'm not moving. I promise I won't move.
There's practices. Who is she to you?
I don't know her. I promise I don't know her.
We might have to use another car.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Because I think she's friends with the other chick.
The other one that's arrested here? Oh,
Yeah.
then we're good. Because she was fighting the other. That's what I want to make sure.
Yeah. So we can put her here.
Yeah. That's what I want to.
This is your type of team?
That's going to be Baylor's.
Baylor's?
Yeah, let me give you a... Come over here. You were fighting the other girl that I arrested,
No,
right?
not the girl. No.
You guys ended up pushing each other. That's what I saw.
No, not the girl. The guy.
Okay, hear me out.
Baby.
What?
Do you know her?
No.
Okay.
No.
Slide over.
You saw how he shoved me?
down.
I'm getting a lawyer. It's okay. I'm getting a lawyer.
That's fine.
It's okay.
We judge the officer's actions in this situation to be professional, procedural, and appropriately restrained. They were firm in enforcing the law, yet still respectful toward the individuals involved. In our view, these officers deserve an A for following proper procedure, staying calm, and showing respect to those they arrested. But that's our opinion. What grade would you give them? The situation quickly escalated beyond expectations when the officer began with unreasonable commands, without any greeting or explanation. To make matters worse, his continuous shouting and threats showed that his anger was nearly completely out of control.
Put the bike down.
Watch my bike.
Because I told you to put the bike down.
Why are you stopping me right now?
Because you're riding your bike with no fucking light on.
I'm riding it. I got
Put the bike down.
Light right here.
Dude,
My
put the
light
bike
was right
down.
here. I said no. Fuck
Put
that.
the bike down, James.
Supervisor.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. I'm gonna fucking tase you, dude. Get on the ground, James.
What have I done wrong?
562 King. Get on the ground.
What have I done wrong? I've not done nothing wrong.
Get on the ground, James.
I've done nothing wrong. Am I being detained?
Get on the ground, James.
Detained.
Let
Am
me
I
add
being
a
detained?
subjects.
Help!
Get on the ground, James. You are being detained, you fucking idiot. Get on the ground.
I'm on the ground.
I'm gonna fucking tase you, dude. Get on the ground.
Within minutes, a minor administrative violation was threatened with force. In contrast, James remained calm, fully aware of the abuse of power and confidently standing on his legal knowledge.
Supervisor.
You still
Call your supervisor.
relax.
No, I'm not relaxing. Call your supervisor. This fucking harassment's gonna stop.
Shut up.
Call your supervisor. I want you to call your supervisor.
I am the supervisor, dipshit.
First
Shut up.
Amendment audit.
Yeah, try the Fifth
First
Amendment.
Amendment.
Shut
First
up.
Amendment audit. You have no reason to stop me right now.
Gotta be on the
It was
fucking
on
bike,
the bike,
dipshit.
It was on the bike. I just took it off.
No, I just watched you right away
You didn't
when I
write-
rolled up.
You didn't tell me to stop. There was no stop. There's nothing wrong.
Yeah, and I told you to stop right here.
Nothing wrong. You have no crime I committed.
562 King.
None.
Detained. 29 on last
Call your
aggression, first of
supervisor.
James.
Call your supervisor. I want to see your supervisor right now.
Shut up.
I
Yeah.
want your super
Conditions, James?
I want you. No, I'm not. I
No?
don't have any court conditions. None.
Huh?
None. Zero. I've not committed a crime. You have no reason to stop me.
Yeah, I did. When I told you to stop.
I'd like to stop to your.
Yeah.
I stopped when you told
Yeah,
me
if
to
you
stop.
fucking arguing with me.
I'm gonna argue.
And I
with
had to
you.
pull my taser
You
out.
have no reason to stop me.
Yes, I do.
None. What?
Yeah.
Not committed a crime. No misdemeanor. No felony.
Yeah, James. It's called riding a bike without a
I
headlamp.
got a headlight right there. I'm in a parking lot, private property. What are you doing here?
You got any dope on you, James?
No, I don't. Now what? I want your supervisor.
Stand up.
I want your
Stand
supervisor.
up.
I'm gonna stand up. I don't know. I got a lot of shit in my pockets. I've been working on cars all day.
You got a
Check
knife
it out.
on you?
I know this. I'm being detained for no reason. I want to talk to your supervisor. I want to see your supervisor.
What supervisor, James? You
I
think
want
we're at your fucking beck and call, you
I want your
dipshit?
Yes.
No.
First Amendment
No.
audit right now.
Go.
Yeah. First Amendment audit. You have no reason to stop me right now. You're in
Yeah.
violation of my First Amendment rights, and my Fifth, and my Fourth, and my Ninth.
Put your feet apart, James.
Yeah, sure.
Face the car.
Face the car. I want to see your supervisor.
What's that for arguing?
What?
I'm asking you some basic
basic
information.
My name's James Gresham. You know my name.
I asked you what your date of birth was.
I don't have to answer your questions. Then.
Yes, you do.
Well, I guess I do, huh?
Yes.
Because I'm being detained,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
5/2069.
The officer fabricated a story, accusing James of being aggressive to justify drawing his taser and making a forceful arrest. Do you see this as a blatant excuse to cover up his violent behavior?
I want to talk to your supervisor.
Do you think that maybe if you just answer a couple quick questions, but when you're rolling up here and then coming back,
You told me to come back, so I came back.
yeah, and then I'm fucking telling you to drop the bike, you're not dropping the bike, and then you
bike.
fucking push it,
I
you're
told you
trying
my
to
bike. And
tense
I had
up
my
on
bike
me.
in my hand. I didn't do nothing on you.
Yes, you did.
That's why you were stopping me.
Yes,
I
you
saw you
did.
pull up here. That's why I turned around to come back.
All right.
First of all,
Articulable, reasonable suspicion.
all right.
ARS.
Yeah, sit tight, dude.
Sit tight. Shut up.
ARS.
Should I just take him for fucking obstructing?
So what happened?
Because he's back behind this thing. I roll up. I'm like, hey, what are you doing, dude? Come here. Thinking that he was trying to hide back here.
Right.
Now it sounds like he lives here, but as soon as he does, it's like, put the bike down. And he starts fucking yelling, coming at me, and he's like tensing up, dude. So I'm like, I'll fucking tase you, dude. Get my taser
Yeah.
out. And then he's like, not getting on the ground, not getting on the ground. And he's just fucking bitching this shit.
We heard you. Do you want me to verify with 18 if he does see anything?
Sure, yeah.
You said you live in a park. So what happened?
Because he's back behind this thing. I roll up. I'm like, hey, what are you doing, dude? Come here. Thinking that he was trying to hide back here.
Right.
Now it sounds like he lives here, but as soon as he does, it's like, put the bike down. And he starts fucking yelling, coming at me, and he's like tensing up, dude. So I'm like, I'll fucking tase you, dude. Get my taser
Yeah.
out. And then he's like, not getting on the ground, not getting on the ground. And he's just fucking bitching this shit.
We heard you. Do you want me to verify with 18 if he does see anything?
Sure, yeah.
You said.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead.
Space Morgan.
I'm gonna shoot your ass every day. Yeah, fine with you. I didn't do nothing wrong.
You don't listen.
I do listen. I came right here.
What's on your shoe?
What's that?
Look. Duct tape.
Yeah.
Alright, have a seat.
Mistake. Made a mistake, bud.
Does he ever stay here?
He does visit this lady quite a bit.
Okay.
I don't know.
Do you know anything about that duffel bag? Does that mean anything to you?
No.
Is that recorded?
According to the law enforcement and correctional officers of the Department of Justice may use deadly force only when necessary. That is, when the officer has a reasonable belief that the subject of such force poses an imminent danger of death or serious physical injury to the officer or to another person. Yet this officer abused his power, lacked emotional control, and displayed professional misconduct. There is no excuse. This officer deserves an F. From abusing authority and losing emotional control, he turned a minor traffic violation into a criminal arrest, putting others at risk and tarnishing the image of law enforcement. His decision was entirely driven by anger and the need to assert personal power, not by the law. On January 18, a single moment of losing control shattered the officer's entire professionalism. He mocked the man and even shockingly admitted that he enjoyed making life difficult for others. From that moment, a simple traffic stop immediately turned into a tense confrontation.
Open the window for me all the way, please. Put the phone down. Put the phone down. Can you do me a favor? Open all the windows. What? Open all the windows.
Why are you going to open up the window?
I need you to open all the windows for me right now. Anybody else in this vehicle?
There's nobody else in the vehicle. You can let me know.
Okay.
I'm recording.
All right. You know why I'm pulling you over right now?
Yeah, why?
Okay, I'm pulling you over because I saw you. I was driving behind you. I don't know if you noticed. You were swerving. You didn't indicate your turn signal. Okay, you can record all you want. I mean, I don't know what you're doing there. What you're looking up. You're looking up. You little weirdo. Do me a favor. Open up all the windows. Blah blah. Let's go. Sir. Why are you making this difficult? You want me to make your life difficult? Because I love making people's lives difficult.
Really?
There you go. I just did that. What are you going to do about it? Nothing. Okay. So, now, license, registration, proof of insurance. Can you get off your phone? Your little TikTok thing?
Can you tell me why you put me in?
I just did. Are you deaf?
Matter of fact, can you call your supervisor?
Are you deaf?
Can you call your supervisor?
Oh, there's no supervisor.
There's no supervisor?
No, there is no supervisor. I'm the most senior officer on the road right now.
Oh, listen.
So,
I'll tell you what
I would be said supervisor.
I'm going to let you listen to my music.
Okay, so that's how we're going to play. All right, step out of the vehicle for me. Step out of the vehicle for me. Okay, put the phone down.
Listen.
Hold on. Actually, no.
Tensions escalated when the driver requested to speak to a superior, while the officer lied, claiming he was the highest authority there. In reality, the driver was a federal agent on a covert mission, but the officer didn't know this and behaved arrogantly.
Not supposed to have on you in the car?
Listen.
Do you have anything you're not supposed to have on you in the car, sir? You're gonna make this difficult.
Can I step out the vehicle?
Can you just
listen?
Answer the question first?
I'll step out the vehicle for you.
Keep your hands on the wheel.
I'll step out the vehicle for you.
Listen to me, follow my directions, and this can go very easy.
Listen, sir.
Listen,
do you want me to get out the car or you don't?
I want you to follow my directions like you just did, like a good boy.
I'm
all right?
I'll follow your directions.
Okay.
Now, did you want me to get out the car or you don't?
Do you have any weapons or anything you shouldn't have in a vehicle or on your person at this moment?
No.
No?
Nope.
Okay. Do you have a firearm on you? Do you have a license to carry a firearm if you do?
Are we in Florida? Even if I did have a license on me, you don't even need
what is this
to have what you're talking about.
Get out of the vehicle. Okay.
All right, listen.
Hands over here.
I got a gun right here on my side.
Okay, put your hands up then.
I got a gun on my side.
Okay.
Can you do me a favor?
226, I'm going to have it totally mailed.
Listen, look at my shirt.
Rush that back up.
While you searching me?
Spread your feet out.
While you searching me, sir.
Put your feet out.
While you searching me.
Where's the gun?
Please?
Where's the gun?
On my right. Right here. Okay. On my right hand.
For my safety and your safety, we're going to do this today, okay?
Hey, make sure when you do that, while you're searching me,
you got big muscles, huh?
My gun is right on my chest.
Oh, wow. Oh, on your chest, huh? So we're lying today. Are you a gangbanger? Is that what you're doing here? You're selling drugs?
When the driver asked the officer to carefully look at the badge on his chest, everything flipped in an instant. From arrogance, the officer immediately stammered apologies and hastily canceled his call for backup. This sudden reversal left him nearly stunned at the scene.
Okay,
don't move.
Sit in the parking lot.
Don't move. You have a license to carry this?
We're in Florida, right?
But, do you have a...
I sure enough do.
Okay.
You know what?
It's called a... Hey, buddy.
It's around my neck.
It's called a concealed carry permit.
Listen, my license is around my neck.
Oh.
I carry it around my neck.
Okay. Well, first, let's see what else you got. See, you're lying a bit. Hey, didn't I spread your feet apart? Spread your feet apart, huh? Fucking scared. Oh, shit.
This is what we're doing?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Listen, can you make sure you get my
What is this?
Can you make sure you get my license to carry? My license to carry on my chest.
Is this fake? You know, a lot of people like to act like they're cops.
Federal agent.
Oh, right. Where's the ID? Let's check the ID. Do me a favor.
Federal agent.
Okay.
So now my badge don't even make a difference.
Lean against the car. Lean against the car. Lean against the car. So you're a cop. So why wouldn't you tell me?
It seemed like you fraudulently pulled me over.
You been drinking today?
Drinking, sir. We don't drink.
I smell alcohol emanating from the vehicle.
Actually, we're doing an investigation on.
Okay.
And just what? You just happened to pass.
216. Status of that back up.
You just happened to pass.
Okay.
So when your sergeant gets here and he realizes what's going on right now.
What's going on is that I stopped.
I stopped. The badge don't make a difference.
Where's the? Okay. So I found your ID.
Because here I have a cop who's doing some things that's wrong. Tell me why, as a police officer. Tell me why another police officer in handcuffs.
You didn't identify
over a swerve.
You didn't identify yourself as a police officer. You were swerving. You didn't indicate your turn signal.
Once again, sir, you didn't call your sergeant here neither.
There's
no the things that we supposed to do here, right?
Okay. All right. Let me get these off of you, buddy. I don't know why you're being like this. I don't know why you're being like this. I mean, hey.
What y'all got going on here?
What y'all got going on?
Tell you what.
You know, you
we as agents, we're gonna figure it out. You know, we don't like city cops. You know that, right?
Okay, yeah, we don't like
the
federal cops either.
Agents don't like city cops.
We
don't consider ourselves cops.
What are you, a pencil pusher? Come on. Listen, you could have just. I pulled you over. You could have just identified yourself as a police officer, and this would have been done. I would have said, of course it was.
When I showed you my badge and you grabbed my badge, you still didn't believe it was real.
Because people impersonate officers all the time.
Okay.
Do they not?
When I see your sergeant, I'll make sure. When I see your sergeant, we'll make sure.
Well, we don't have to go that far, okay?
No, we won't. We'll go farther than that. Okay. We'll make sure we talk to them. We'll make sure we do a lot of things on this. I'm pretty sure you probably have other offenses against you. But you have a nice day, and I continue to have a mind.
Listen.
I appreciate you, sir.
Listen.
Sir, I appreciate you.
You have a good day.
Thank you much.
Captain.
According to the law, under the provisions regarding police misconduct, state or local law enforcement officers are prohibited from engaging in patterns or actions that infringe on rights protected by the USS Constitution or Federal Law 34 U.S.C. Section 12601. Misconduct includes, among other things, excessive use of force, discriminatory harassment, wrongful arrest, sexual coercion, and unlawful stops, searches, or seizures. Therefore, this arrogant officer should be permanently suspended and have all his previous traffic stops investigated internally. This officer is a clear example of abuse of power, dishonesty, social bias, and misconduct. His confrontation with a federal agent revealed the true face of a bully hiding behind a good cop mask. We believe he deserves the lowest possible F. The officer stopped the vehicle for documentation violations and decided to tow it. Inside the car were Karen Turner's daughter and friends. When Turner arrived, she demanded to know the reason, but the officers said they had already explained it to the driver and were under no obligation to report back to her.
Okay, you might have to contact them and find out and tell them your situation. Because that's inspection, that's completely separate. They might make you go to an inspection to get the registration done.
So then, could that be done from the lot? Like, I mean, is there
Probably not. It would probably be done in Nevada, I'm guessing.
Okay.
Probably at one of their inspection stations.
No, you can take this mock check remotely. I've done it before in Illinois, so I'm not sure what.
I can only tell you New Jersey. I have no idea about. If I told you something, it might be completely incorrect. New Jersey, I can tell you 100% what the process. I have no idea with Nevada. You have to call their DMV. Unfortunately, not till Monday. It's the holiday weekend, so. All right. So you guys are all set. No truck drivers get taken.
What do we need? How do we get the car back?
Valid registration, valid insurance card.
But how do they know that this is her car? Like, don't you need to give us a receipt or something? Like, how are they going to know that this one
This is the receipt. This goes on file.
Hi, I'm Karen Turner. Hi.
It's not her.
I'm a resident. There you go.
It's fine. I don't need that.
Okay, fine. I'm Karen Turner.
You're just here as the rider, right?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm here as a concerned citizen and friend of the mayor, and been in Tenafly for 20 years. I take full responsibility for them. And what is the reason they were pulled over?
The driver has all the information. He'll tell you.
No. I need to know.
No, you don't need to know.
Okay.
You're not involved here. You're picking them up.
No. I'm involved. Trust me.
Well,
I'm
not
very
going to tell you. He's the driver of the automobile. He's over 18. That's all you need to know.
Okay. If you can.
We don't need to see credentials.
Okay.
We've explained already.
You need a. If you can give me a little bit of space here.
Turner abused her authority, brandishing her badge as a threat, even though her agency had no jurisdiction over local traffic enforcement. When the officers stood their ground, she became angry, insulted them, and made further threats.
Are you a commissioner?
I am the commissioner. One of the commissioners, and I'm heading up.
Do you have an ID with that?
That is my ID, and that is my business card. I am the commissioner of the Port Authority, and I'm heading up over 4,000 police officers. Okay? So, if there's a problem, I think I have...
There's no problem.
Well, I think there's a problem.
It's an unregistered vehicle.
Okay. Let's hear, why were they pulled over, first of all?
Miss.
Now, don't call me Miss. I'm Commissioner. Thank you.
Commissioner?
Yes.
All due
Why
respect.
were they pulled over?
All due respect.
Yep. Why
The driver will tell you.
No. I need
Yes,
to know.
ma'am. The car's getting towed now.
Why is the car getting towed?
Go ask him.
No. I'm asking. You're the person
Go ask
who
him.
ordered it, and trust me.
Miss, this does not involve you 1%.
Yeah, it does. It does, because I'm picking them up, and I'm offering to take responsibility for them, and you can't even tell me the charges. I'm also an attorney, so I think if you can't tell me, what is the problem?
That's fine.
Why is it such a difficulty to say why they're being pulled over and why the car's being towed?
Because everything has already been explained.
I know, but I know.
Why do you need to know?
Because this is impacting me, because I got 4 people who are coming back to my house, including people who live in New Haven attending Yale Graduate School, a PhD student, and I don't know why it's so difficult to say what the problem is. This is impacting me. On Easter Sunday, I got to take 4 people
I'll be honest.
back to New Haven.
I'll be honest with you. Should I be frank with you?
Yeah, I want to know what the problem is.
It's more of the way you just approached me and your demeanor.
You know what? Okay.
I'm being honest with you.
I want to know why.
I just don't appreciate your demeanor.
I don't
You're being very demanding with me.
No, I'm asking you a question which is not being answered.
But it doesn't need to be answered. It's irrelevant.
Okay. You know what?
If you'd like to read my report, you can come down to the police department records on Monday, and you can get a copy of it.
And you can't...
I am you have no right to know what's going on.
No, I do.
No. Explain to me why.
Because these are 4 people that I have
You're
to take responsibility.
Why do you have to take responsibility? They're all adults.
That's my daughter.
And she's a backseat passenger. She's a backseat passenger.
And there's a problem with you describing it because you don't feel confident. Why these people are being pulled over.
Your daughter has not been summoned. She was not the driver. This is not her vehicle. It's not your vehicle. How are you involved?
But this is not going to be... If you have a problem explaining what the problem is and why their car is being confiscated, then we have a problem. And trust me, I will be in with the commissioner of police of Tenafly.
Take a step back. Take a step back
for me. If you can't even describe what the problem is...
Take a step back for me. I can't move back any farther. I keep moving back farther, and you keep moving closer to me.
Because you can't even
take a step back?
put a sentence together
Take a
on what
step
the
back.
problem is.
Because I'm not, because of your demeanor.
No, I came in very
no
nicely.
legal obligation to tell you.
And I'm under no legal obligation to tell you what I will be doing. But I will.
You can do whatever you would like to do.
She's been
This is a lawful motor vehicle stop. You are here to pick them up. Okay?
Okay.
There's going to be a report.
Yep.
The driver has been advised of everything that's going on.
Okay. I was there for your graduation when you guys came in the town, and it wasn't that long ago.
What graduation? What are you talking about?
Okay.
What graduation when I came into what town?
Thank you very much, Saditsky and Catherine. Thank you for your information and help. You know what? I hope you have a really nice holiday weekend, too, because you just ruined it for a lot of people. Without even the decency.
I didn't ruin anything.
Yeah,
I was doing my job.
Yeah, you did.
I would just hope you being a commissioner
this is their Passover.
that you would understand the job police officers have to do. But
there is no explanation. How can I understand?
You
don't
even
have
ask
the
him.
decency.
You didn't even
no,
ask
I'm
him.
asking you because you're the one that's making the report, the problem, stating it. I'm going to the
don't
store.
appreciate the way you approached me, the way you demanded information, the way you're stating based off of your position in another agency, whatever it may be. I mean, you have a business card with credentials. I don't know you. I just met you a minute ago. You have no official identification.
Louis, what's his name? Schmarodowski?
What does that have to do with anything?
Well, I'm just telling you who I am. I've been in the town for 20 years, and as a courtesy, I would like to understand the rationale for their being pulled over and their car confiscated. This is a courtesy. I don't know why it's
I believe you should ask your daughter and the driver of the motor vehicle.
My daughter is a backseat passenger, as you said.
Exactly.
You're making the accusation. I would like to know.
What accusation?
The accusation of I don't know what, because you haven't told me. You're telling me to go Monday and read the report.
No, that's
when
not
these
what you
kids, you said ask them. It's not them. I'm not going to ask the driver what you are accusing them of wrongdoing. I'm asking you because you're the source of the accusation. They are not the source, you're the source. So I'm trying to go to the source. If you want me to go to their side of the story, I will.
I think
but
that's the
I
best
will
thing.
do that.
I think it's the best thing at this point.
You know what? I'm very disappointed in the way the two of you are acting. You cannot even tell me, a mother living in Tenafly for 20 years with two kids who went through the school system, what the problem is. And that's shocking. It's shocking that you can't even give me a sense.
I think we should conclude this.
I will.
Just for safety reasons, this is a high-speed road. I think we should all get off of the road. It's a little bit dangerous for us being out here as long as we were
anyway.
anyway.
Thank you for your concern with my safety.
Okay.
I don't need it. You can't put a sentence together. Sorry.
Okay.
That's pathetic. Okay. And you are a disappointment. And you are just following him. So you are also a disappointment. Okay. You can't put together a sentence of what the problem is.
Are you finished now? Are you finished, ma'am?
I'm shocked. I'm shocked and very disappointed. Thank you for your help.
You may take them now.
You may not tell me when to take my child. You may shut the fuck up and not tell me when I may take my kids and her friends who are PhD students from MIT and Yale. Okay. You may tell me nothing because you told me nothing. Shame on both of you. Okay. I will be talking to the chief of police.
Please.
And I will be speaking to the mayor.
Badge number 540.
I got your name. I got your name.
Just to make sure there's no discrepancy.
There's no
Matt is the first name.
No. Don't you worry.
As long as you got all the information right.
I got all your information.
Okay.
The officers remained calm, completed the towing procedure, and issued a citation to the driver, while Turner continued to berate them with complaints and frustration. Like this video if you think this is a clear example of abusive behavior that deserves condemnation.
Sorry. You can't put a sentence together. That's shameful.
Okay.
That's shameful.
Have a pleasant weekend.
You have a wonderful weekend. You're going to...
For impound, is that all contained in the ticket?
No,
there is no receipt for impound.
They can't even tell you the name, the reason. They can't tell me the reason why you're being pulled over.
The police
Are you
impound
tomorrow?
lot. Is that online?
What company are you?
Find out the what? The location of the impound. No, it's at the police department. Okay, cool. Police headquarters. Yep. You could take it.
Shame on you. Shame on you.
Have a pleasant day.
Can't put together ruined the perfect holiday weekend. 4 or 5 people.
Have a nice day.
Come back.
Take care now. Ma'am, where are you going exactly? It's not traffic.
Where are you? What's your address? What's your address? And what needs to be done? What do you get to do? It's not your question. He doesn't answer. Thank you. All right, we'll see you down there. Get away from me. I'm asking. No. I came to see his address.
Employee.
I came to get his address.
This is a police contract employee.
You've made 5 people in my car cry. I hope you're happy. You're an ass.
Just doing my job.
And you, no, you're not. You're not.
Well, we'll agree to disagree. How about that?
How about I'm not even going to talk to you because it's not worth it. Okay?
I agree.
You are not a nice person. And 5 people are crying. You've ruined their Easter. You've ruined their Passover. You've got someone, an investment banker in there from London. You've ruined it. They were just going for hikes. And you can't even say, I hope you're very happy because you seem to have a smug-ass look on your face. And you seem to please you. I don't know why it's so hard to say what the reason is or where the car will be.
You
Why?
said you work with police officers, correct?
Yeah, I work with 4,000 of them.
I'm just a little bit disappointed that
You don't get to be disappointed in me.
you don't seem like a very big police supporter. I don't know. You think that you would have more of an inside look at the job. Just caught me by surprise based off your demeanor a little bit.
Yeah, okay.
Using inappropriate words and such.
Yeah. You know what, Matt? This isn't going to go down nice person.
Okay.
You're not a nice person.
Okay.
And it's really hard for me to understand why you can't say, the problem is they don't have this or they do have that. 2 sentences. That's
he was told.
not, I asked you.
The driver couldn't have been any nicer.
I asked you. They're all crying in there.
The driver could have been nicer.
I don't care about the driver being nice or not nice. I asked you, and you can't even put a sentence together. That's a problem.
Because of the way you approached me and your demeanor.
No. I'm sorry.
Exactly
You
why.
can't
I'm being
put,
honest with you.
Matt, you got a chance to put it together now, but you can't put the sentence together now, other than say you're disappointed. Fine. We'll go to Ruskin.
You can go to whoever you'd like to go to. It's irrelevant to me.
Okay.
I'm doing my job. I've done nothing inappropriate.
And if I go and say, what's the address and what do we have to do, that's inappropriate too. You need to tell me for that too?
I don't know why you're coming over to a vehicle that's lawfully being impounded.
Because I want to know where it's going.
The driver was advised where it's going, as was your daughter. Your daughter was very nice as well. She asked and I told her.
Guess what? I'm not so nice. And you can tell that to everybody. And it's fine.
Okay.
And the police have all been in my home, and in my second home, and in the third home in Tenafly.
I don't see how that's relevant, but to the situation. But...
Maybe you need a few more tattoos over you.
Welcome.
Appreciate your patience. Thank you.
Thanks, Donnie. Appreciate it.
Despite being insulted, threatened, and pressured by her position, the two officers stayed calm, followed the law correctly, and did not yield to authority. They protected the driver's rights, completed the towing procedure, and skillfully de-escalated the situation. This is truly a display of composed handling worthy of an A grade. Comment yes if you agree.
Hey! Knock it off! Knock it off! Are you fucking screaming?
Hey, I can do that. I can tell you to that's the First Amendment. If you got a problem, get your sergeant out here. You ain't getting my shit. You ain't getting my shit.
That is exactly what you're about to witness next. A loud bang, shattered glass, and a terrified scream. But this wasn't the arrest of a dangerous criminal. What consequences did the officer's rash decision lead to?
And she's refusing to roll her window down or provide any documentation. And I figured, why not get you here before I rip her out of a car?
I'm just going to tell you what's going to happen. So either you cooperate from here on out, or we're going to break the window and pull you out of the vehicle and you're going to go to jail. Okay, break the window and take her out. That's it.
Hey, that glass in my eye! Hey! Knock it off! Knock it off! Are you fucking screaming?
Why Lieutenant Colonel of the United States Air Force is acting in such a manner?
Because your actions are unconstitutional.
This officer had no idea that the 5'9" woman he was threatening was actually an Air Force lieutenant colonel. She ended her day with shards of glass on her face instead of a simple traffic citation.
Hey, Colonel, you want to roll your window down?
No.
Why not?
Why are you detaining me?
I'm not detaining you, Colonel. I'm stopping you for doing 63 miles an hour in a 40-mile-an-hour zone. I need your driver's license, your insurance, and your registration.
Do you have proof of the speed?
Yes, I do. It's on my radar, ma'am.
May I see it?
No, you may not. 227. Send me another unit. I also had you doing 73 further down the road. I need your license, your insurance, and your registration.
When Officer McKenzie mocked the cash found in her purse and refused to let her call her military commander, he didn't realize he was making the biggest mistake of his career. Despite having glass lodged in her eye, being handcuffed, and treated like a drug criminal, how did Mrs. Bojovi deliver a chilling warning?
Cut my face and you broke my glasses!
Can we have EMS come check her eyes out? Yeah.
You need to send an ambulance!
I just requested it.
Glass is in my eye!
Yep. Just sit you up.
Just move her over to it.
Watch my glasses, sir! Hey, there's glass in my eye.
We've got an ambulance coming.
And there is no crime.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
There is no crime.
I'm sorry, Lieutenant Colonel, but there's definitely a crime.
There's none, sir. You're detaining me unlawfully.
Her voice.
You will be getting sued. And If there is injury and scarring to my eye, you're going to be sued, sir, and you're going to lose your job.
It's okay.
What's your name?
Deputy Casey.
Deputy Casey.
Yep. Ma'am, are you under the influence of anything?
No, sir, I am not.
Is there a specific reason why Lieutenant Colonel of the United States Air Force is acting in such a manner?
Because your actions are unconstitutional.
Yeah, unfortunately that's incorrect.
It is not correct.
That's what I just said.
Sir, there's glass in my eye.
Yeah, and we have an ambulance coming to check you out. I'm almost positive she might be under the influence of something. There's no way. It's a shame, it's a nice car. You doing a vehicle inventory?
Yeah, she has a whole bunch of cash right here.
A whole bunch of what?
50s, 20s.
Okay.
She got receipts on them.
Let's go ask her. I don't want to touch.
Just go through her bag, make sure there's kind of that drugs in there. She
right, before it gets towed.
That's all she's got. That's her producer.
It's a lot of cash.
Yeah.
Maybe she's a part of a booster club or something?
Maybe. And then I saw on one of her checkbooks, there's a check.
Are you part of a booster club or?
No, sir.
I want to make sure this goes with you so you don't lose any of it, okay? Is this all there was that was in there? This is most people don't roll around with this kind of cash.
Sir, I can't even see what you're doing.
Okay. I've got.
Yes.
Okay, we're inventorying your vehicle. Are you like a booster club president or?
No, sir. That's my cash.
Okay. All right. We're going to make sure this goes with you, okay? And it'll be accounted for, and the jail will give you a receipt for all of the cash, okay? Go ahead.
Yes.
Yes.
So you searched my bag and you searched my car?
No, we're inventorying your vehicle because it's getting towed.
No, because you're
As soon as your eye gets checked out, you're going in the back of my car and you're leaving. We are inventorying your vehicle before it gets towed.
Sir,
it will go to a tow lot.
Seizure and
No.
search. It's
No.
illegal seizure and search.
Oh my God, I'm not taking this from you. I'm trying to make sure we have it all so that you get it back.
You are searching my vehicle.
You know what, I'll just leave it in there.
It's not a search.
You just want me to leave it in there for the tow truck driver? Like a tip?
So that the eye can be checked out. May I have my phone, please?
Not right now. It'll go with you when you go.
No, I would like my phone. I have a right to contact.
That's not how it works.
That is how it works.
Okay.
No, look, this is how you ended yourself in handcuffs.
Don't tell me how to cop.
Sir, you don't know how to cop. Where is my phone? May I have the phone?
No, you can
yes,
wait.
sir. I have to call my commander.
Yeah, your commander's going to find out, all right.
No, ma'am. Okay, we'll come to this up over here. I would like my glasses and my phone.
We're getting your glasses.
We're getting your stuff. I would like my glasses and my phone, please.
You're not getting your phone.
Why would you withhold my phone?
You can get it when you get to the jail. They will allow you to get 5 phone numbers off of it. So once the booking process is complete, then you can make your
I have a right
call.
to make contact and call my commander.
You don't know the things that you were saying.
Ma'am, I have to write. Is there
I
a reason
can call commander. You got gloves, right? Make up.
Yes, sir.
The only number I remember over there is the law enforcement desk.
I only know staff duty. That's it.
Can you contact the command post and contact my commander?
She had to spend a night in jail before a military attorney came to pick her up. Meanwhile, the abusive officer was fired. Later, she filed a lawsuit demanding $10 million in damages. This officer acted rashly, abused his power, lacked humanity, and caused injury. Smashing the window of an unarmed 9-year-old woman was considered excessive use of force. That attitude earned him a mark of F. On June 8, police accused a man of being a parking lot vandal, but the truth was that he was just a joker making balloon animals for children. Don't let the flashy costume fool you, because I guarantee you'll be shocked when you find out who this cheerful joker really is.
Sheriff's Department is shutting down freedom of speech. Want you to be aware of that.
This is what the police do. They stop everybody's phone.
Okay. Is he detained? Or is he free to go?
Yeah.
Right now he's got his hand. No, is he detained or is he free to go? You know the law. You know the law. Come on, man. This is your job. Not that I'm looking forward to going to court and having to fight for my rights again.
Yeah.
But as far as freedom of speech is concerned, I will always fight for that, as I have served my country honorably.
Police escorted this joker away, accusing him of improper driving and damaging the grass, completely disregarding the fact that he was a former serviceman. But Robert wasn't worried about himself. He only begged for one thing, and it was about caring for his dog.
So I've been told by the person who's holding this event that you're not allowed to be here.
Why would that be?
Because you're not permitted.
Why?
It's a permitted event.
What? Who make? It's an open event. And they, by the way, call your supervisor then.
Okay.
I'll stop. Call your supervisor, because every time I've dealt with this in the past, it ends up, you end up calling your supervisor for verification. But I can be here as a busker. I'm not charging for anything. I am not a vendor. And when the woman she took off. They were falsely accusing me of damaging the lawn when every one of these vehicles, that weighs 8 to 10,000 pounds. This weighs 500. Golf carts, there she is. Golf carts weigh more than this, and those are golf cart tires.
Yeah.
And I'm running lower PSI than they are, because this thing only weighs 500 pounds.
Why has it got a license plate?
Oh, that's part of the thing. That's actually part of it. It's a motorcycle, no, it's just a part I use to patch up. There's no relevance to it. The vehicle it came from was my deceased roommate's car. It's one of the things I kept.
Oh, okay. So it's like sentimental.
It's a sentimental piece.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So what are you doing here exactly?
I'm making balloons for the kids.
Balloons for the kids?
Yeah. Yes, we can. I will do it. You know, it's not a private event.
Yeah.
And so it's not reserved as a private event. This is an open air concert in the public, which means I have every right to be here as a busker. If I wanted to be a street musician playing off just over on the edge of the hill, as long as I'm not interfering with that performance, which I'm not,
right,
I'm perfectly fine. Okay. Again, I'm not interfering with anybody else's freedom of speech. They're interfering with mine.
I gotcha. You mind giving me your name?
When you show me charges?
I gotcha.
I'm sorry. I'm just protecting my rights at this point, and these kids need to learn this, so I'd rather use this as a teaching moment.
Yep.
Make sure that, okay, you understand that if you've not committed a crime, you do not have to give an officer your identification or identify yourself.
I will say this, they were mentioning that you're doing burnouts with this thing.
This thing can't do burnouts!
That's what I was told.
Really? How? Would you like to?
Let me just, he doesn't have a permit, but obviously, it's a public park, and it's open to anybody. I'm gonna end the recording right now.
Why don't you come with real? How about you bring the conversation over here with the parents? We're gonna do this like 2 ways. Okay, you're gonna go to custody or feel you're just down the jail. Oh wait. They're threatening me with arrest. What is my crime? Operating off a roadway. Criminal damage to property. What criminal damage? What damage to property? There's no burnouts.
What a burnout?
Who did? Show me the evidence.
We have a witness.
Bring him over here. Bring him
That's
over
not how that works.
Hey, everybody, follow me. No, apparently they're detaining me. No, please, grab your cameras. Come along, everybody. Detained? Or is he free to go? Yeah. No, is he detained or is he free to go? You know the law. You know the law. Come on, man. This is your job. Where? I didn't have any grass.
Where is it?
No, I did not.
Where's the proof?
Show me.
Oh, he's the guy that...
You're lying.
Hey. Put your hands behind your back. You are now being detained.
Why are you touching him?
He's being detained.
For what? What crime?
For criminal damage to property.
This is a public court. This is a public court, sir.
I not being... Just you? Huh?
Yeah, this is Thomas. Thomas!
No, of course not. Oh, feel free. I got 2 phones in this pocket, keys in one pocket, wallets.
So phone right here?
Yeah, that's one phone.
All right. Put this
Why
right
are you
up here.
detaining me?
Well, we just explained it.
No, actually.
There's no criminal damage. Show me the damage. We're going to take you over that way. I already got the stickers on my phone.
There's no damage.
Unfortunately, it tore up the grass.
It couldn't have. Shame on both of you for doing this, but you know, now you got a bunch of very upset parents and kids.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
So that's going to get towed if you end up going to jail. What do you?
Don't put me in jail. I mean, what am I doing? No, I want all your information. I want that lady. What citation?
Again, you're operating off roadway.
Every one of these vehicles. Every one of those vehicles up there is operating off roadway.
The police threatened to impound his sentimental vehicle for 2 years. They called him dangerous and believed another witness. But the show came to an end when Robert demanded a scene inspection. No skid marks, no damage, and the photographic evidence turned out to be fake.
And you have every right. You're going to fight it. And
I plan on fighting this, and I plan on filing a lawsuit against discrimination.
And that's
all right. I mean, this is my freedom of speech we're talking about here. I have done nothing but make children happy. Yeah. So I'm going to need your body cam and everybody else's body cam, and then I'm going to find out who's lying on me. Yeah. Because there's no evidence. What they're pointing out is probably something I put past, but not nothing I did.
Right.
All right. You guys are just offended a lot of families and kids tonight, and I don't want to see the sheriff's department's been very fair to me up until this point.
Yeah.
You know, in fact, you guys have had my back every time I went down at South Shore Park. Yeah. The supervisors call up. It's like, no, he's doing nothing wrong.
And
7 times last year, and I'm going to cite those cases.
I would agree with you, but there was damage to the.
There's no. Esmeralda did no damage. We didn't do any damage.
That's the name of your.
That's her name. Yeah, Esmeralda, like Hunchback of Notre Dame.
Oh, I want to be dealing with this. I have a kid with a gun up the street right now that I have deputies chasing, and I'm here dealing with this.
Yeah, well, I'm just making balloons for children and making them happy. So why are you dealing with me?
Hold the permit. Hold the permit and don't.
The rules, no. The rules are the fact that I don't need a permit to do this. I am a busker, not a vendor.
But you can't drive that car.
I'm going to talk to the county supervisors and whatnot about that.
Guy Smith is the director.
Give me, write them all down. Write all this information. I will find out.
You can't. That's the most common name in the world. Maybe that's artistic to you.
Wow. Well, the kids seem to enjoy it. And wow, Karens are being Karens. What a surprise.
That happens.
Yeah, I know. But it's called freedom of speech. And creepy vibes is no reason to bother anybody.
I'm not bothering you guys.
But you have
damage to property, right?
And no.
And operating off roadway without a legal authority.
And again, these vehicles are
permitted.
You're correct. And again, this is I'm disagreeing with you on that.
Again,
I'll get into the details. And wow, you got still a bunch of really upset people now.
Oh, we deal with every day. Do you think this upsets us or concerns?
No, but it's going to be an interesting story down the road. Yeah. And it's going to be another black eye in the sheriff's department.
This officer was truly unprofessional, legally incompetent, and showed signs of abusing his authority.
So obviously don't go anywhere until these tickets are...
Oh, no, I'm not going anywhere.
I'm sorry.
Besides, I want this right now. I've been waiting for this. Not that I'm looking forward to going to court and having to fight for my rights again.
Yeah.
But as far as freedom of speech is concerned, I will always fight for that as I have served my country honorably.
Oh, what branch?
Army.
I was Marines.
Hoorah. Love you guys.
Hoorah.
Hoorah. Now I want them to show me where I did damage and I want to see it.
Unfortunately, it's already been...
So we're refusing to show... So it's something that happened, but now it's all covered up. So it was no damage?
There was a photo.
Where's the damage? Show me.
From a man in handcuffs to the plaintiff in a $250,000 lawsuit is a harsh lesson for any officer who abuses power. Never judge a book by its cover, and never underestimate the knowledge of a former military man. The officer in this case failed his duty to protect civil rights. Instead of defending freedom of expression, he became an instrument of intimidation driven by ignorance and bias. What grade do you think he deserves? I'd say it's terrible, and definitely an F. On March 22, the police approached and questioned the woman's actions. The accusation was stated very clearly, but perhaps the officer didn't know who she was.
719, dispatch approaching suspect. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
what is it you think you're doing here?
I'm dumping trash down.
That's illegal. This is private property. You can't be using this dumpster for your trash.
Oh, no, it's okay. My office is right here. It's not illegal. I have an office here, sir.
Your office is here. You work, and you work here.
Correct. I'm an attorney at law. That's correct. Yes.
You're an attorney.
Yes, sir. Do you need a business card or anything?
Yeah,
services?
Yes. I need proof of this.
Would you like services or anything, or why do you need my business?
I would like to see proof that you're an attorney, because this is private property. You can't be throwing trash out there. You're breaking the law.
Okay, I would love to show you my business card. That's no problem.
It wasn't until she handed over her business card that the officer flipped it over, looked only at the back for the address, pretended not to notice anything, and continued giving her a hard time. It was obvious he was trying to find a fault, but don't forget, she is a lawyer, and she was about to prove something very important.
1019.
Here you go, sir. Linda Jones, attorney at law, located right at this office address.
I see the Linda Jones, but I don't see the address here.
Sir, if you flip the card over, please. Thank you. Is there anything else I can help you with, sir? Because the sun is...
I still don't see the address.
Sir, here's the address here, please. And that's my name. Is there anything else that you need to verify that, sir? I'm trying to cooperate here.
Ma'am, I'll ask the questions. You're breaking the law right now.
Actually, I'm an attorney. I know my rights, and I'm not breaking the law. As I stated, sir, I'm intended at this office location.
Okay, this card doesn't prove any of that. I need to see your ID.
You don't need to see my ID, sir. I just gave you my business card.
Ma'am, don't make this any more difficult than it has to be. There's no need to be confrontational.
Nobody's being confrontational, sir. I'm not being confrontational.
Ma'am, you're being incredibly aggressive. All you're doing is escalating the situation, and there's no need for any of this.
I'm escalating the situation.
Correct. I've asked you 3 times now. I need to see your ID.
I will show you my ID to verify the business card, okay? I'll do that for you. But I don't have to, okay? Just so you know that. This is my name to verify the business card and the office address, sir. This is not illegal dumping, once again.
But the address is different on your license than it is on the business card.
Because that's a business location, sir. That's not my home address.
Yeah, this whole thing just seems very suspicious. I'll be right back. I need to run this ID.
You don't need to run my ID, sir. You don't need to. I'm an attorney, like I said. That'll be against your jurisdiction if you're trying to run my driver's license.
Ma'am, you
and I both know that, or I can tell you that right now. That's illegal what you're doing.
You just illegally took your ID.
Because you have no reason to legally stop me. I gave you my ID. I did not have to, once again.
Ma'am, you're breaking the law. You're illegally dumping trash. Your addresses do not match up.
Yes, they do. They do match up.
Well, then you should have no problem with me running it then, if you are who you say you are.
You don't need to run my ID, sir. I told you, again, I'm a lawyer. This is my office address. I've proven that with my business card and my driver's license. This is not illegal. You have no reason to stop me.
Well, then you should have no reason for me to run your ID if you are so in fact a lawyer and this is your property. Because from where I stand, you're illegally dumping.
While the officer kept clinging to weak arguments, the female attorney firmly read out his badge number as a declaration of battle. The officer then tried to retreat by claiming he had to respond to another case.
If we continue with this, sir, you're going to get sued. Is that officer I see? Badge 2322? You really want to continue this conversation with me? No, that I'm an attorney at law.
I mean, you haven't proven that you're an attorney.
With the business card saying attorney, that doesn't, and the ID matching, that doesn't do it for you? Or you want to keep going down this rabbit hole, officer?
Okay, ma'am, this could just be so simple. All you need to do is give me your ID and your business card back.
I'm not letting you run anything. I don't have to let you run anything. Maybe you need to go read into your law books.
Ma'am.
Instead of just the academy.
If you weren't breaking the law.
You're going to get sued, sir. This is harassment now because you're on my private property as a tenant.
1017.
And you're trying to make me, call whoever you need to call because you're wrong. You're absolutely wrong. I don't know if it's racism. I don't know what you have going on, a bad day. I'm not sure, sir, but you need to go.
None of that is relevant to what's going on here.
It's very relevant because you're sitting here harassing me at my workplace while I'm taking out my trash where I pay for have my office space.
Okay, none of that has been proven. I do have an ongoing investigation right now that I just got called on.
My business card. I've given you my business card. I've showed you my ID and verified that's the name. This is my office. Would you like to come inside?
Okay, ma'am. I'm going to let you off on a warning.
You have no choice but to let me off on a warning. Because you need a warning yourself. Keep it going.
I have an ongoing investigation I need to tend to.
I bet you do.
We're going to leave this as a warning today.
I bet you do. That sounds great. That sounds great. You have a great day.
The officer assumed the woman was doing something wrong even without any verified evidence, using unreasonable arguments and repeatedly trying to use her address as a baseless reason to suspect her. According to the law, All persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to its jurisdiction are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States, nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws. This officer showed incompetence, arrogance, and a lack of respect for citizens. Unfortunately for him, he encountered exactly the wrong opponent, a lawyer who knows the law inside out, exposing his ignorance and abuse of authority completely. What grade do you think he deserves on a scale from A to F? Leave your answer in the comments below the video. On February 5, Officer Berlin used his authority to demand that a citizen present his driver's license and vehicle registration, turning the complainant into the one being investigated.
For what? What?
For what? What do you need?
So I know who I'm making a complaint against.
For what?
For speeding.
Speeding?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I have you recorded doing 80 miles an hour in a 65-mile-an-hour zone. Okay. No headlights, no sirens, nonchalantly. Apparently you drive like that all the time. So I wanted to film hypocrisy at its finest.
Okay. License, registration, proof of insurance.
No.
Yes?
No.
Yes.
No.
Because now you're in...
No, I'm doing nothing. If you're going to start this shit... If you're going to start this shit, you get your sergeant over here.
License, registration.
Get your sergeant over here. Get your sergeant over here.
License, registration.
Get your sergeant over here.
License?
No, I ain't giving you shit. Get your sergeant over here.
You pulled over on a traffic stop, so you had to...
I didn't pull over on your traffic stop.
Yes, you did.
I pulled over here because I had to answer my phone.
No.
Yeah,
License?
that's exactly why. You're not getting shit from me. If you're going to keep this up, get your sergeant out here.
License, registration,
You ain't getting shit from me.
Hey,
you ain't getting shit from me.
Then now you're obstructing. And
no, I'm not. Obstruction is a physical...
Yes. No, it's not.
Look, dude, you better get your sergeant out here,
now
okay?
You're verbally assaulting
Get your sergeant out here.
License, registration,
hey,
proof of
I
insurance.
can do that. I can tell you to that's the First Amendment. If you got a problem, get your sergeant out
License,
here.
registration,
You
proof
ain't
of
getting shit from me. Get your sergeant out here.
Okay.
I'm asking for your sergeant for the last time.
And I'm asking
Get
for
your sergeant out here. Well, you ain't getting my shit.
License,
you ain't getting my shit.
License,
you ain't getting nothing.
Okay, then I will arrest you for obstruction.
You do that, buddy, and I'll sue the out of county.
Officer Berlin ordered Barry to step out of the car and even threatened to use his taser. Barry's calmness revealed the truth. He was actually a police officer. With the posture of someone who understands the law and as a fellow member of the force, he demanded a proper apology.
Step out.
You better get I want a sergeant here.
Step out.
I want a sergeant
Step
here.
out, and you're going to get tased.
You're coming to get tased. I have a weapon right there.
Where?
Here.
What do you have? I'm just going to secure that in here, okay?
You want a sergeant?
You have a CCW?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, he's a Denver cop. Or he's a Denver cop.
And I know my rights too, buddy.
Okay. Cool. Thank you.
You want to get me out of the road here so I don't get run over?
Thank you for being compliant. Greatly appreciated.
Not a problem.
Let me just check your hat real quick. All right, sir.
The supervising sergeant admitted procedural mistakes, apologized to Barry on behalf of the department, and promised to carry out internal disciplinary measures.
He said I was doing 85 and a 65, and he's just recording hypocrisy at its best. So then I asked him for his license registration because he pulled up on my traffic stop. So I was dealing with him second, and he wouldn't give it to me because he's a Denver cop and he knows his law, his rights.
Is he retired?
I don't know. I didn't even see. I just saw he was a Denver cop. Denver Reserve.
So, how exactly did he obstruct?
Well,
that's what we got to clarify.
Yeah. Well, I'm trying to get it. He came up here. If in all honesty, I should have contacted him sooner, but I didn't. I waited for my traffic stop, so I contacted him. He's video recording me, so I was asking for all of his information. He's like, he's not giving it to me. He wanted a supervisor.
He was just video recording?
And then when I was asking,
did he walk up to your stop?
No. But then
you don't have obstruction.
But when I was trying to get his information here,
yeah. Right.
He wouldn't give me his information here. He wouldn't identify himself here. It's weak.
Yeah.
It's very weak, and I can care less that I say it on the camera.
But,
and I asked him to step out, and he stepped out lawfully. Just wouldn't identify himself. It's weak, but I got it.
I'm driving down 85. I'm leaving Brighton. I'm on my way to the Ford dealership to get my core back on a starter. Okay. I'm doing 65. This guy passes me, and I look at my thing, and I'm doing the speed limit. And he passed me, I mean, pretty aggressively. So I started to go to catch up to him because I wanted to pace him to see how fast he was going. He was going about 80 miles an hour. I recorded it. Like I said, he just passed me and he disappeared. Okay? So my intention was, I've got this on video. I was gonna call the station and complain.
Get a hold of me.
Yeah, whoever.
Essentially, that's what we've come to.
Right. So I had no idea where he went, but I turned on 104th to go to the Ford dealership, and he had somebody pulled over, and right at the same time my phone rang. So I noticed that it was the same guy, and I thought, boy, isn't that something if he's given whoever he pulled over a ticket for speeding? Just sat there, and I put my phone out the window to record so that I could get a picture of the guy. And then I just sat in my car, and after he wrote the guy a ticket and let him go, then he came up to me and he said, can I help you? And I said, no. I said, can I get your name and badge number? And he said, what for? And I said, because you were speeding on Highway 85. Oh yeah? I said, yeah, you were doing 80 in a 65. No lights, no sirens, no nothing, and I could tell that you were just your casual driving. Give me your driver's license, insurance, and proof of insurance. I said, I'm not giving you my information. He said, give me your stuff or I'll get you for obstruction. I said, you didn't pull me over. I don't have to give you my driver's license. You didn't pull me over.
Right.
So then he opened my car, yanked me out, handcuffed me, and here I sit. And I told him, I want a sergeant. You have no to do this. And that officer that's going up to my van right now admitted it. He said, yes, you shouldn't be.
That deputy's right there. He's right there with you.
So I'd like these handcuffs off. I'd like to be going. I'd like that guy's information, and I'd like to go on my way here.
That's going to happen. Some of these guys, they forget that it's not against the law for someone to videotape your traffic stop. It's not against the law for them to pull to the side of the road. It's not against the law to make a comment. I can't think of any way that would interfere with it.
And
some people,
and I even said to him, at least if their body cam's on, at least 6 times. When he kept asking me for my stuff, telling me he was going to arrest me for obstruction, I said, I need a supervisor. Before you keep doing this shit, I'd like a supervisor. And he said no, and then that's when
I called for you.
And that's when he yanked me out and threw me in handcuffs.
So I'll handle it. It'll be taken care of. I promise you that. I'm not going to let it. It's not going to just go away.
Okay.
It will be handled. I'm sorry. I will apologize for the sheriff's office. I'm sorry it happened. It shouldn't have happened. Like I said, let me go talk to him for a minute, and I'll be back in just a minute. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Well, here's my business card. Didn't mean it to go this route. Unfortunately, it did. So that is my apologies. But so I don't know what else to say.
You ought to know better.
So I will bite my tongue on that response, sir.
Yeah. Am I free to go?
Absolutely, sir.
Well, I'll see you in court.
Okay, sir. Have a great day. Thank you, sir. Have a great day. No, sir. Enjoy your day, sir. Thank you.
What the hell did he just say?
He said I'm an idiot and to see me in court. And then grabbed his balls and flipped me off.
At the same time as you have it on camera?
Yes.
You know, stay further away, especially if he's an off-duty cop, really. That's stupid.
Well, he is?
He's a reserve. And he comes and does this because he was...
Berlin's actions not only cost the local government compensation money, but also damaged the reputation of law enforcement. But at least he eventually owned up to his mistake. So instead of giving him a failing grade of F, what score do you think he deserves? Leave your answer in the comments below.